totally staying here tonight at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel. Let's go on in and check it out. A lot of it's under construction, so just sending you in the back way. Why does it feel like I'm in a maze already? Totally love that in so many ways. But I'm sure it's gonna look really good once it's done with the white walls. Seriously guys, total maze vibes right now. Here's my room, guys. I'm staying at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel tonight. It's kind of cool in here, actually. There's still a lot of it's under renovation, but this one's been done. And you can see they're still working out there. There's some dude on the roof over there. And the whole front lobby is kind of tore up, so that's why I didn't film it on the way in. And then they're working down there still. So here is my room at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel tonight. Kind of a cool, awesome, random place. And then, of course, you gotta show you the bathroom. I mean, everyone wants to see that. So, always fun. With that said, I'm gonna go pass out on that comfortable bed.
For the adventures of Bright Coastal Club.